My big brother rode an Indian Scout. It was black like his jacket, American spirit hanging out of his mouth, just like our daddy. He kick-started that bike one night and broke Mama's heart. He pointed that headlight west, out where the wild things are. He'd call me up every couple of weeks from South California, talk about the desert and the Joshua tree, his pretty girl stories, and how he bought an Airstream trailer and a J45 guitar. Said, little brother, you love it out here, out where the wild things are. Oh, his heart's on fire and crazy dreams. Oh, the nights ignite like gasoline and light up those streets that never sleep when the sky goes dark, out where the wild things are. I called my brother from the back of that plane the second I made it. We started drinking on the strip in LA, and then it got crazy. Ended up at a house in the hills with some Hollywood stars, kissing on a blonde in a backyard pool, out where the wild things are. Oh, yeah. Couple iron horse rebels, wild as the devil. I knew I had to move back east, say goodbye to my brother at the end of that summer, but I knew he'd never leave. Oh, its heart's on fire and crazy dreams. Oh, and the nights ignite like gasoline. Oh, them Indian Scouts, man, they're built for speed. Oh, they said he hit that guardrail at 3:30, lit up those streets that never sleep when the sky goes dark. We buried him out in the wind beneath the West Coast stars, out where the wild things are. Out where the wild things are.
One and two, three and four, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.